Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I want to share with you a review video about Meesho filler cushions which I have bought 1 year ago. So I'm really excited to share my experience with you guys after I have been using this product for more than a year. So please stay tuned with the video to know the full details and review of Meesho filler cushions. So friends, as I have covered the cushions with the cushion covers, first of all I'm going to open all the covers and show you only the cushions so that you can relate it properly. So guys, this is it. That's how it looks like. It came in sets of 5 pieces together when I received this product, and all these 5 cushions are packed in one big plastic packaging. When I received it, I was really satisfied with this product. They look very cute and fluffy inside. They are very soft cottons, and the size also came exactly as what is shown in the description box and the picture. Also friends, I bought this product in very reasonable price, that is just for 380 rupees of 5 pieces. That means for one cushion its cost will be 76 rupees only. So it is a very good product according to its price. So this is it, how it looks. The size is not so big, it's a square shaped design, but the lining is little bit thin. It would be more better if they put a little more good quality lining. Otherwise everything is okay. But honestly speaking, I haven't washed or cleaned these cushions yet. That is why it's looking little bit dirty and there are stains of sweat here and there. Hope you can see it. The looks are still the same and the lining is also still okay. So yeah, everything is still okay, and yeah, you can go for this filler cushions from Meesho. So friends, that is it all about my review of filler cushions from Meesho. If you want to buy it, then you can go for it guys. I will link the product code in the description so you can check it out there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.